guys another Five Nights at Freddy's 2 video. So let's do it. Alright.
Hello? See, I told you your first night wouldn't be a problem.
Yep.
You're a natural. By now I'm sure you've noticed the older models sitting in the back room. Those are from the previous location, and we just use them for parts now. The idea at first was to repair them. They even started retrofitting them with some of the newer technology. But they were just so ugly, you know? And the smell.
It's cool.
So the company decided to just go in a whole new direction and make them super kid-friendly. Those older ones shouldn't be able to walk around, but if they do, the whole Freddy head trick should work on them too, so whatever. I love those old characters. Did you ever see Foxy the Pirate?
Nope.
Oh wait, Foxy. Oh yeah, Foxy. Hey listen, that one was always a bit twitchy. I'm not sure if the Freddy head trick will work on Foxy. If for some reason he activates during the night, and you see him standing at the far end of the hall, just flash your light at him from time to time. Those older models would always get disoriented with bright lights. It would cause a system restart or something.
Oh.
Come to think of it, I'm going to try that on any room where something undesirable might be. It might hold him in place for a few seconds.
Meet you.
That glitch might carry over to the newer models too.
Hi.
One more thing. Don't forget the music box. I'll be honest, I never liked that puppet thing. It's always thinking, and it can go anywhere. I don't think the Freddy mask will fool it, so just don't forget the music box. Anyway, I'm sure it won't be a problem. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Alright. Night 2, welcome back. Alright. Oh no. Come on! Oh. Shit. What's up, Freddy? Yes. Oh. Hi, Bonnie. Let me look into these vents. What the fuck was that? Was that a little boy? I swear to God. Oh my God. Oh! No! I was too slow. I was too slow. I gotta check that out. Oh no. Nothing better pop up. Nothing better pop up.
Hello.
Oh. Swear to God, Balloon Boy. Better not screw me up. Oh God. Oh God. Oh hi. Alright. I'm gonna try to survive. I'm gonna try to survive this as long as I can. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video for more. Yeah. No. You can't be playing with my emotions like that, man. No. You can't do that. Come on! Oh no. Why did I even come back? Like, I think they're paying me like $120 an hour. Like, is that even worth it? Hi. check twice. Oh no. No. This is close. Okay. I was ready. I was ready. Alright, 4 a.m. We can do this. No, no! Oh my god! Oh my god, I just did the same mistake in the first video. Alright. You gotta be ready. Freddy, your favorite pops up right now. Ooh, I swear to god. I swear to god if you make me die now. Oh, no! Fuck up. Fuck up. Fuck up. Fuck up. I know, I gotta get Chica. Almost out of battery, that's not good. 5 a.m. we can do this, guys, come on. We can do this, okay. Fox is gone. Alright. 5 a.m. we can do this. Oh, god. Yes! Yes! Woo! Alright, guys. Little extra cutscene for you guys, I guess. Oh. I barely noticed this, like, the first video. This is actually the first part of the game. Remember Five Nights at Freddy's 1? Yeah, this is the main hall where they're at. Remember this? Turns out this is a free flow. Free flow, whatever. It's me. Alright, guys. There you have it. Like and share and subscribe to the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Let's go up to 3 likes again. Don't forget to comment and like if you want more. See you guys.